Alright guys, see? They're out here working on the holiday. That's the concrete block going up. And now you see the outside of the house being formed. So I'm going to be buying a mic for my other videos because everybody keeps complaining that they cannot hear me well. So I apologize. When I'm out here, the wind is blowing and everything, so it's definitely harder to hear me. But you see how they're laying the concrete block, how they're putting it together. See how it's forming out the house. And I'm sorry, it is going to be harder to hear because the wind is blowing and everything, but still I like to come out, you know, I told y'all I'm going to show y'all the entire process of, you know, everything that's going on. You can see we're doing lot 1, which is over there. This is lot 2, so that's one house over there. This is another house. I'm going to show you all the distinctions between the houses right now. Let me try to back up. So you can definitely see the outline of the walls of the houses of this lot. This is all here that we're looking at. Starts there at that gate and then it comes all the way here. That's lot 2. So this is where the house ends, right over here at the end. And these are about 2,000 square foot houses, 1,960 square feet, or 1990. I don't know. They're either 1990 or 1960. I can't really remember. You see Charles talking to Oscar. Oscar is our GC, who's doing the work. You hear them over there talking in Spanish. And this is lot 1. The other one is, lot 2 is in the front, lot 1 is to the back. So these are all of the walls going up for this lot. I'm gonna walk this way. I know it's a little bit shaky because I never went back and got a new gimbal, but hold on 1 minute and I'm gonna walk over there by Charles and Oscar. And this is the back of the house. The front of the house is towards that road that way. For lot 1 and lot 2, they're going to be facing in that direction. And then this will be lot 3 and lot 4. The house that has there is lot 3, then lot 4. Then there's going to be an easement, a road we're going to have to create in the middle. And then you'll have lot 5 and 6 to the back. So all of this space is the backyard. You see how much backyard these people will have here? This is the back of their house. And then you yard, and then the next houses start there. So their yards are gonna be pretty big. They'll be able to get a pool back here. Yeah. So I don't know. Those people have chickens or what the hell that is. Okay, so this pump here is a well. We found a well on the property, and so it's saving us so much money not have to go to Miami-Dade Water and Sewer, get temporary water service, connected, doing all this. So that's what this pump is. When the guys were pouring the concrete, they found a well right here, and so we just had to buy the pump, do the little connection, and now we have fresh water for free.
Keep the stock the meter is big.
So Oscar,
It's a big
so Oscar, so this person, their lot has cost more because they get a well, right? We charge them more. Their house is gonna be
Have a boy in there.
yeah. Their house is gonna be a little bit pricier because they get a well on their property.
Yes, it's just ready for fire sprinkler.
Yeah, they're good to go.
And so this is
The sprinkler system, everything. Wow. Oh yeah, they have enough space for a pool. Yeah, because their backyard is huge. You see where that pole is right there? That's where their backyard will end. So when we sell these, we'll be able to tell them that they can have a pool. And now, since I have found out that there is a well on lot 1 right here that we're using the water, we can use this for all of the construction, all of the water that we need on the project. I'm so glad that the guy found this well. And there's certain properties like in Miami-Dade that have wells on them. Like for example, where I live next door, which is Charles's grandmother who lives next door to us, she has a well on her property. But so certain properties have wells, and then it just happened that the guy found a hole, and he was like, hey, I think it's something here. And then when they stuck down, it went down 10 feet, and then they discovered that it was a well down there. So we're all good with the water. We just had to connect up, buy a pump, connect, and then you saw the holes with all the water coming out. So these people, when they buy this home, they will have a well on their property, because it's, you know, you can see the property line where their fence will be. It's on lot 1, so they have a well on their property. So we can charge a little bit more for this house, so that's great. These people, they get a well, they'll save in their water bill, but we'll make a little bit more money on the sale of that house.